guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this wig that I received from Myfirstwig.com. The name of this unit is called Aries, and this is their 13x6 Malaysian human hair blunt bob wig. The length of this wig is 10 inches and the texture of this wig is silky. This is a beginner-friendly unit. It already comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so it cuts out the entire customization process and you can just install the wig. So basically the only thing that I did to this wig prior to filming was just spray my lace tint. Everything else was already done. And I also do not use the bowl cap method. I don't do that method. I just put a stocking cap on to protect my natural hair. I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active lace glue to melt this lace down, and I'm only applying one layer of glue. I like to use my blow dryer on the heat setting just so I can make sure that this glue is fully dry and glued all the way down. Now going in with my elastic band and the blow dryer, it just helps to secure the lace down and give your lace that nice melted look. So when it comes to cutting the lace, I do like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion. I just feel like it gives the lace a more natural look as opposed to just cutting the lace straight across. Do y'all see how natural this lace look? It looks so invisible, so seamless. It just automatically gave my hair that clean hairline look, and I love it. I'm going in with the Luster's wax stick, and I'm not putting too much because I just don't want the product to weigh the hair down. Now I'm using this Remington flat iron to straighten this bob wig, and I'm trying to get that blunt look. I'm not really trying to bump it so much at the ends. But yeah, I'm just taking pieces of the wig and just going through it, making sure it's nice and straight. with the Nairobi foam mousse to style my baby hairs. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to define my parting space. I'm using the other end of the concealer brush going over the parting space, and I just do this just to make the parting space look a little bit more natural after applying the concealer. So here's the final results of this wig. Honestly, I'm gonna have to give this wig a straight 10. Out of all of my other bob wigs, this wig definitely gave the silkiness, the natural shine. It did not shed at all, no tangles, natural hairline. Everything about this wig is a 10. Most importantly, I did little to no work to achieve this look. The wig already came with a nice blunt cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. I just had to install it. And let's not forget the deep parting space, which definitely makes this wig look way more natural. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.